Hello everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to maximize a window using Python in Selenium. Let's get right into it. It's very easy. To start with, we've created our driver. We are going to open this website. We created our driver by doing driver equals webdriver.chrome, and then we pass in the location of our Chrome driver. But then after we open the web page in question, we do driver.maximize window and press play. You can see it opens up. It's not maximized yet, and now it's maximized. So there you have it, everybody. In under 1 minute, that's how to maximize the browser window using Selenium and Python. If you got anything out of this video, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.